Tomorrow marks the 1-year anniversary of the Financial Wolf channel. And because of this special event happening tomorrow, I want to make a video today sharing with you guys how the Financial Wolf channel has performed in the past year. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how much money the Financial Wolf channel has earned in the past year. Okay, so to start off today's video, I want to go over the channel's performance in the past year that I have been doing YouTube. And the performance has been pretty good. My goal was, when I started YouTube, to have 1,000 subscribers by my first year of doing YouTube. And I actually achieved that goal. You can see here that I have 1,519 subscribers at the time of filming this video. And you can see it shows you your subscriber growth as you've been doing YouTube. And you can see in the beginning it was pretty slow. You know, I was gaining maybe 1 to 2 to 3 subscribers on average per day. And that kind of continued for like the first 3 to 4 months of doing YouTube. And then things slowly picked up in December and January because I started doing collabs with other YouTubers. I did collabs with people like Kish Vlogs, and even later in like January, February, I did a collab with the 24/7 Entrepreneurs channel, which, if you don't know that, it's basically a channel owned by Reyes the Entrepreneur, and that really helped me pop off, and my channel's honestly never been the same since. You can see I gained 110 subscribers in one day that time I was featured on that channel, and then ever since then it's been a really big bump up in terms of subscriber growth. You know, I'm probably gaining like on average 8 or 9 subscribers per day. Lately it's been kind of slow, and that's just because I've sort of changed my content up, but we're gonna get into that later. And you can also see my view growth has been crazy over the time that I've been doing YouTube, and this is really where you see the growth from my YouTube channel. You can see I've just been going way up since I started, and that's really motivating to me. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've really been able to reach my goals with the Financial Wolf channel. When I started YouTube, my goal was to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of the first year, and I ended up having 1,519 subscribers by the end of the first year. And I've also accumulated over 40,000 views on the YouTube channel, which I think is just amazing. I can't believe that many people have seen like all of my videos. So that is really awesome for me. I'm sure the next year going forward is going to be just as good as this one. I'm hoping to be somewhere around 5,000 to 6,000 subscribers by the 2-year mark on YouTube. I'm really excited to see if I'll be able to do that. That's a super high goal, but I'm sure I'll be able to achieve it. Over the past year of doing YouTube, I've really figured out that YouTube is just all about consistency. If you want to grow a channel, you need to show up every single day and just plan videos, focus on your channel, try to grow it. Doesn't mean you have to upload every single day, but you need to be focused on how to grow your channel every single day. You need to be thinking about YouTube every single day if you actually want to be successful on the platform, because there is so much competition. There are so many different channels trying to grow out there, so you have to stand out. You have to make different content. You have to make better content than everyone else uploading. And also guys, if you do not know the type of content that you want to upload, you just need to start uploading. Like for example, with my channel, I started out making stock market investing content, and like 3 months in I realized, yeah, I'm gonna bring in some other stuff I also enjoy. So I started doing phone flipping and stock market investing, and then I just completely stopped with the stock market investing content, and I went all in with the phone flipping content for like 4 months, and then I realized, oh, I want to bring some other side hustles into the channel. And then ever since then, my channel has just been a channel where I document different fun businesses I do, and I've really enjoyed how it's become like that. A lot of people might think, hey, you need to pick a niche, but in my opinion, I just like making cool side hustle videos for you guys to enjoy, and I'm pretty sure that you guys like me making videos like that as well. Okay, so now it is time in the video for me to flex on you guys and show you how much money I have made from my YouTube channel. So you can see here, the first stream of income is YouTube ad revenue, and it's honestly not even a stream of income because I have not monetized on YouTube. Even after 1 year of doing it, I still have not gotten monetized because I do not have 4,000 hours of watch time. I'm getting close, but I'm not quite there. So in the past year, I've earned absolutely $0 from YouTube ad revenue. But although I have not made any money from YouTube ad revenue, I have been able to monetize the channel and other aspects, and we're going to be going over these right now. So the first way that I have been able to earn money from YouTube over the past year is through affiliate marketing. And I am marketing for 2 courses right now, and I've actually earned a decent amount of money with it. The 2 courses that I am promoting is both Phone Flipping Gurus and Cell Phone Repair. Both of these are courses I personally have enjoyed and taken myself and gotten a lot of value out of it. And then I just recommend it to my subscribers, and they take the course, and usually they get a lot of value out of it as well, as long as they implement what is in it. So over the past year, I have earned $146.25 with the Phone Flipping Gurus course, which is actually really, really good money because I get a 25% commission on every sale. With the second course that I have here, I get a 10% commission on every sale, and the course price is $499, so it's a little bit of a higher ticket course, and only one of them has been bought with my affiliate link, so I've earned $49.90 doing affiliate marketing for this course. So guys, in total, I have earned $196.15 with affiliate marketing from the Financial Wolf channel in the past year, which is honestly not that bad of money. I know it's not a crazy amount, but with only 1,500 subscribers, I think I've done pretty well making money with affiliate marketing. But that isn't my only stream of income from the Financial Wolf channel. I also have another stream, which is from coaching. Since I have been doing multiple businesses over the past year that I've been doing YouTube, I decided to diversify my income from the Financial Wolf into paid coaching calls. At first, I was doing them for free, but as I started to get more and more requests for coaching calls, I decided to charge a bit of money for them. And that was simply because I have to value my time to some extent. I love talking to you guys, but sometimes I have to focus on my businesses instead of always being on the phone. So what I decided to do is charge a little bit of money for it so I can kind of narrow the people who are actually serious about bettering their business and bettering their amount of income that they are earning. From coaching calls, I have earned a total of $81.17. I have earned $31.17 since I have started using a program known as Clarity, where people can actually book calls with me. Basically, how it looks is like this, and it has my 3 areas of expertise, which is phone flipping, growing a YouTube channel, and social media marketing. These are all businesses I have done and businesses I have experience in, so people can book a call with me in regards to any of these topics, and I charge $1 per minute, which is actually the minimum amount for my time. So I know that sounds like a lot, but $1 a minute, it's not like a crazy amount or anything. But then when you also go to my coaching calls that I have booked from like email or Instagram DMs, it has been another $50 because I used to just have people book calls with me and I charged $25 an hour, but then I found this program and it just made things so much simpler, and I just really enjoy using this instead because I can put it in the links of all my YouTube videos in case people want to book calls with me, and if people ever ask me for coaching, I can just send them the link and they can sign up for it themselves. So guys, in total, I have earned $277.32 in my first year of making YouTube videos. I know that doesn't sound like a lot of money, but for me, making YouTube videos is not about the money. I enjoy it. I would have quit a long time ago if I was doing it for the money. I've probably put in 200 to 300 hours of work in for the past year making YouTube videos, and I've only made $277.32, which I don't care about because I just like making videos because I enjoy making videos and helping people make money. All in all, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to drop a like and check out more content on the Financial Wolf channel. Peace out.